How to buy DUCKCHAIN token. So this token came under the symbol of duck. And so before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check the X account. As you can see here, they have a big community there. Just go and engage with their community and keep following the update about this token. So as you can see, if you go to cryptorank.io, you will find this token there. And to be able to buy it, just copy the token address as you can see. And this token address came under the Tone network. So to be able to buy it, you need to open the Tone wallet, as you can see. Now go and click on swap. But make sure you have enough Tone on your wallet. Now after that, click on USDT here and paste the token address, and this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, click on import to add it to your wallet. So this is our token. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and you will be able to see here how much you receive of that token. So of course, because I don't have any fund, I can see how much I will receive, and I can't select the provider. So after you see how much you will receive of that token, go and select the provider from here, and after that click on solve, and you will be redirected to that provider page to complete the buy process. And after that you will be able to have this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy DUCKCHAIN token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.